These are the heat map styles I will show you how to make with the gradient map tool. Then I'm going to show you how you can make them into presets so you can easily apply it to any type of photo. So first I'm going to make a new project, and then I'm going to import the picture we will add the effect to. You can just drag and drop the picture onto the canvas. Next I'm going to resize it so it fits correctly. A very important step is I'm going to look down and to the right, and there's going to be a half and half circle. We're going to left click that and select gradient map. This will bring up a new adjustment layer called gradient map. I'm going to right click the new gradient map layer and select create clipping mask. This will create a clipping mask onto the layer below it. Next I'm going to go up to the gradient bar and left click it. This will create a new panel called gradient editor. Now I'm just going to select the colors that we're going to use for this heat map effect. You can add colors by just clicking on the gradient bar. And then you can delete colors by just clicking the delete button. So now I will just fill out the rainbow heat map effect. So once you're done selecting the colors, we will now save this as a preset. So go to where it says custom for the name and change it to what you will name the preset. Then press new, then press OK. So to use the preset, I'm just going to select the layer we want to apply the preset to, and then go back down to the half and half circle, select gradient map, then create a clipping mask on the gradient map to the layer, then go up to the gradient bar, left click the gradient bar, then in the gradient editor, there will be our preset that we saved previously. So I'm just going to select that and press OK, and it will be applied. So now I'm just going to go through and create the other heat map styles. The other heat map styles I believe are called rainbow, iron bow, arctic, and lava. So I'm just going to create those other styles. And just remember, by the way, these colors are not specific, but as long as you get in the right range and as long as you get the spectrum pretty correct, you should be good. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Like, sub, comment. Thanks for watching.